Have you ever wondered why, despite economic fluctuations and occasional financial crises, the rich always seem to come out on top? It's time to uncover the underlying reasons behind their sustained wealth growth. While some might argue that it's purely due to hard work or sheer luck, the truth runs much deeper. Our investigation will reveal the intricate web of factors that contribute to the perpetuation of wealth among the affluent. From financial education and access to exclusive investment opportunities, to the power of compound interest and strategic tax planning, each piece of this puzzle plays a significant role. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on a journey to unveil the hidden mechanisms driving the seemingly unstoppable rise of the rich. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So, let's dive right in. To truly understand the present-day accumulation of wealth by the rich, we must delve into history. Throughout the centuries, societies have witnessed the consolidation of wealth in the hands of a privileged few. From the feudal lords of medieval times to the industrial tycoons of the Gilded Age, the pattern persists. Economic systems and policies have often favored those already in positions of power, enabling them to amass fortune while the majority struggled to survive. As economies evolved, so did the methods of wealth accumulation. The advent of colonialism, the rise of capitalism, and the Industrial Revolution all shaped the landscape, creating opportunities for the rich to exploit resources, labor, and markets. This historical context is crucial to understanding how wealth concentration has become deeply entrenched in our societies today. Over time, various economic shifts and policies have played a significant role in exacerbating wealth disparity. One notable factor is the shift towards neoliberal economic policies, which prioritize deregulation and favor market forces over government intervention. While this approach has fostered innovation and economic growth, it has also widened the wealth gap. Tax policies that disproportionately benefit the wealthy, such as capital gains tax rates and loopholes, have further contributed to this disparity. Additionally, globalization and technological advancements have led to the outsourcing of jobs and automation, leaving many workers struggling while the rich reap the rewards. As wealth becomes increasingly concentrated, the rich gain more influence over policy making, creating a self-reinforcing cycle that perpetuates their advantage. Understanding these economic shifts and policies is crucial to addressing the root causes of wealth inequality and striving for a more equitable future. Now let's look at these closely. Number 1. Financial education and knowledge. One key factor contributing to the continued growth of the rich is their emphasis on financial education and knowledge. While formal education provides a foundation, it is financial literacy that equips individuals with the tools to navigate the complex world of wealth creation. Understanding concepts like budgeting, investing, and risk management empowers individuals to make informed financial decisions. The rich prioritize acquiring this knowledge and often have access to expert advisors who guide them in maximizing their wealth. By leveraging their understanding of financial principles, they can identify profitable investment opportunities, strategically allocate resources, and mitigate risks. Financial literacy not only helps them grow their wealth but also safeguards it against economic downturns. It is essential for everyone to recognize the importance of financial education and strive to enhance their own financial literacy to level the playing field and foster economic empowerment for all. Number 2. Investment opportunities and access. One significant factor contributing to the perpetual wealth growth of the rich is their privileged access to lucrative investment opportunities. The wealthy often have access to exclusive networks, private investment funds, and high-profile venture capital firms that offer deals inaccessible to the average investor. They can invest in early-stage startups, real estate ventures, and high-yield financial instruments that provide substantial returns over time. Additionally, the rich can leverage their social connections and influence to secure favorable terms, negotiate better deals, and access insider information. This preferential access to high-performing investments allows them to multiply their wealth significantly faster than those with limited opportunities. Addressing this disparity in investment access is vital to foster a more inclusive and equal financial system, ensuring that everyone has a fair chance to participate and benefit from wealth generation. Number 3. Capitalizing on compound interest. Compound interest is a powerful force that plays a crucial role in the wealth accumulation of the rich. At its core, compound interest refers to the process of earning interest on both the initial investment and the accumulated interest over time. This compounding effect allows wealth to grow exponentially. The rich understand this concept and strategically leverage it to their advantage. By consistently reinvesting their earnings and allowing them to compound, they are able to harness the power of time and exponential growth. This compounding effect is particularly potent when combined with long-term investment horizons, as it allows for the exponential growth of wealth over decades or even generations. While compound interest is available to all, the rich are often in a better position to take full advantage of it due to their larger initial investments and access to higher yield investment opportunities. Number 4. Tax strategies and legal loopholes. One crucial aspect contributing to the continued accumulation of wealth among the rich is their adept utilization of tax strategies and legal loopholes. Through careful planning and expert advice, the wealthy are able to minimize their tax burdens and retain a significant portion of their earnings. They leverage various strategies, such as offshore tax havens, complex trust structures, and tax deductions that are often inaccessible to the average taxpayer. Additionally, they may exploit loopholes in tax codes or take advantage of favorable provisions designed to benefit businesses and high-income individuals. While these practices may be legal, they raise questions about fairness and contribute to wealth concentration. Addressing these tax strategies and closing loopholes can play a pivotal role in creating a more equitable tax system that promotes economic justice for all. Number 5. Wealth preservation and generational transfer. The rich employ a range of strategies to ensure the endurance of their wealth across generations. One common approach is the establishment of family offices, which act as dedicated entities to manage and preserve their wealth. These offices are staffed by professionals who oversee investments, estate planning, and philanthropic activities on behalf of the family. By centralizing these functions, the rich can ensure a comprehensive and coordinated approach to wealth preservation. Additionally, they often create trusts that provide a legal framework for the distribution and management of assets, allowing for smooth intergenerational transfers while minimizing estate taxes. Moreover, the rich prioritize financial education within their families, providing the next generation with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complexities of wealth management. By combining these strategies, the rich create a solid foundation for the preservation and growth of their wealth, fostering long-term financial stability for their descendants. Number 6. Economic and political influence. The accumulation of wealth by the rich is not solely driven by economic factors. It is also influenced by their economic and political power. The rich often have significant influence over economic policies, legislation, and regulatory frameworks. Through lobbying, campaign donations, and connections to influential policymakers, they can shape the rules of the game in their favor. This influence allows them to advocate for policies that protect their wealth and interests, such as favorable tax rates, lax regulations, and business-friendly environments. Moreover, the rich can use their economic power to create or invest in businesses that further augment their wealth, perpetuating the cycle of accumulation. Their economic and political influence creates a system that favors the already wealthy, making it harder for others to break into the upper echelons of wealth. Addressing this issue requires a broader examination of the intersection between economic and political power and the implementation of policies that promote fairness and equal opportunity for all. In conclusion, the continued accumulation of wealth by the rich is influenced by various factors. We explored the historical context of wealth accumulation, the impact of economic shifts and policies, the importance of financial education, tax strategies and legal loopholes, access to investment opportunities, the power of compound interest, wealth preservation and intergenerational transfer, as well as the influence of economic and political power. We discussed how the rich prioritize acquiring financial education, leverage their initial wealth through compounding, and employ strategies to preserve and transfer their wealth across generations. However, this concentration of wealth can have negative consequences for society, such as social inequality, decreased economic mobility, and distorted power dynamics. It is essential to address these issues by promoting economic fairness, equal opportunity, and an equitable distribution of resources. By understanding the underlying reasons behind the continued wealth growth of the rich, we can work towards creating a more just and inclusive society for all. As we conclude, it is crucial for each of us to take action to address the issues surrounding the continued accumulation of wealth by the rich. One actionable step is to prioritize our own financial education and literacy. By enhancing our knowledge and understanding of personal finance, investment strategies, and wealth management, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions that can lead to our own financial growth and stability. Seeking out resources such as books, courses, and workshops can provide valuable insights and tools to navigate the complex world of finance. Furthermore, we can advocate for policy changes that promote economic equality and opportunity. Engaging in discussions, supporting organizations working towards equitable wealth distribution, and participating in civic activities can contribute to the broader movement for change. By raising awareness and urging policymakers to implement fair taxation, close legal loopholes, and create an inclusive economic system, we can foster a society that benefits everyone. Remember, the real reason the rich keep getting richer is multifaceted, but by taking action individually and collectively, we can work towards a more balanced and equitable future. Let's strive for a society where everyone has a fair chance to thrive financially and where wealth is not concentrated in the hands of a few, but shared for the betterment of all. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.